Hi students, today we're gonna use a calculation of some operation here with Python, using Python, and we need to notice something called order of operation. So if I have this example, for example, I go to Python shell and I type 2 plus 3 times 6. Right away when we think about this one, many students, they don't know or they neglect the order of operation, and they say if I'm going from left to right, so that means this is the steps: 2 plus 3 equal 5, 5 times 6 equal 30. Actually, this is a wrong answer. So this is wrong. Why it's wrong? Because there is something called BADMAS, order of operation. And Python know very well the order of operation. The order of operation saying when you have 2 plus 3 times 6, we don't start from left to right, we start from the operation that it has high level. The order of operation saying that the multiplication has a higher level than the addition. So we should start from the multiplication first. 3 times 6 equal 18, 18 plus 2 equal 20. The answer is totally different than 30, and this is the right answer. So if I don't know order of operation, I can solve some problem with the wrong way. So I need to understand what means order of operation. The order of operation is simply, we call it BADMAS. What the meaning of BADMAS? The meaning of that the high or first one, I use the bracket. So I start with brackets first before anything else. After the B, there is the E. The E here means exponent. So I go to the exponent. After that, there is G and M. G and M, they are together, they are in the same level. And one for division, D for division, and M for multiplication. And after that, in the same level also, there is the addition and subtraction. So when Python or the math in Python will see something like that, they're gonna check the order. We're gonna do the bracket first, after that the exponent, after that division and multiplication, after that addition and subtraction. Now there is some questions here. If I have 3 times 6 divided by 2, for example, we just said that the division and multiplication, they have the same level. So I'm gonna start with multiplication or division. If I have 2 with the same level, we start from left to right. So I don't have a choice. The multiplication is gonna be stronger in this case than the division. Why? Because it's starting from left to right. So we have to say 3 times 6 equal 18, 18 divided by 2 equal 9. However, if I have the same two operation, something like that, 9 divided by, let's say, 3 times 2, again, I have division and multiplication, they have the same level. But if they have the same level, as we said, we start from left to right. So in this case, we're going to start with the division first. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 2 equal 6. The same thing for addition and subtraction. If I have 3 plus 5 minus 2, I know that the addition and subtraction, they have the same level, but because I'm starting from left to right, so I have to say 3 plus 5 first equal 8 minus 2 equals 6. And the same thing if I have 5 minus 2 plus 3. If again I have subtraction and addition, and we know that they are with the same level, in this case we have to say I have to start from left to right. So that means 5 minus 2 equals 3, 3 plus 3 equal 6. So this is how Python understand, because Python use the order of operation. Now, what about the bracket? If I have something like this, I can give it to Python and I can check, Python, can you give me the answer? So Python right away will do what? Will check the brackets first. But which bracket Python will start with? For sure the one with the inside bracket. So we start from inside to outside. So first of all, Python will see that 7 plus 1 equal 8 and 3 minus 1 equal 2. So Python will think with this way, I will keep 5 minus 1 as it is, time, I open this bracket and this bracket and check what inside I have 8 divided by 2. After that, Python will say again, I have bracket here and I have multiplication. For sure, Python will say, since I have bracket and bracket, we're gonna start from left to right because they are with the same level. So Python would say 5 minus 1 equal 4, 4 times 8 divided by 2. After that, Python will do this bracket, so 4 times 8 divided by 2 equal 4. And after that, 4 times 4 equal 16. So we can test all of that with Python, and I need here to use the shell, but because it's full, I'm gonna start with another shell to start from fresh. So I'm gonna search for Python idle and starting from here saying if I have 2 plus 3 times 6, again 3 times 6 first, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. Right away I see Python doing the order of operation. Someone will tell me, okay, I need the same thing. I need 2 plus 3 times 6, but in my head I want to start with 2 plus 3. How can I ask Python to understand? I want that you start with this, after that the multiplication. In this case, I can ask or force a bracket for Python to understand that I need that you start with 2 plus 3. Bracket is the highest thing. In bad math, we said B bracket is the highest level. So Python will understand, oh, in this case, you need that I start from 2 plus 3 times 5. And here we go. I can force this bracket. So open bracket, 2 plus 3, close bracket, and after that, time 6. So here, Python will see that there is a bracket, so 2 plus 3 equal 5, 5 times 6 equal 30, and here we go, this is the answer. So I hope you understand that Python use the BADMAS, and I hope that you understand how BADMAS is working. Bracket first, exponent, after that division and multiplication together with same level, and addition and subtraction with the same level. And don't forget, if you have division and multiplication or addition and subtraction in the same operation, we start from left to right. Thank you for your attention.